Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations. In our today's sewing video, I'm gonna teach you how you can use your old jeans strips to make your favorite binder. This project is so much fun. I will also teach you how you can attach those fabric strips together so you can get your favorite length of binder. So let's make this binder together. So for making binding from your old jeans, simply you need your jeans patch, any size, whatever you have, because we're gonna attach each strip together. And I have cut here 1.5 inch wide our strips. And if you notice, I have put my lines on a narrow way, so in that way our binder will be easy to use even on a curves, or like when we are moving to the different directions. So that's help. So if you see my previous videos, I had show you how to attach each strip together. As you can see here, we have attached. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna fold your binder to make perfectly. So the next step, I'm gonna show you how to use an iron to fold your binder strips to prepare your binder. So let's head to our iron now. So if you notice, I use those two strips with my prepared binder which I already have prepared. So simply I'm gonna show you, because it's a thicker fabric, jeans diamond fabric is thicker. So first thing we're gonna do, we have opened our seam here. We're gonna iron on top of this, and I have put setting on a cotton, and also I have a steam on as well, just to trying to press as much as we can. Because this fabric is thicker, so I gonna use little fabric fusion just on back So our binder is prepared, and if you can notice how our thick fabric stitches could be divided from one side to other side and moving further, so that will help us to have a easily stitch, not to have a true bulky on the center. So that's how we prepare our binders from old jeans. I have prepared like 2.5 yard binder, and I just with this little patch from my old jeans. I'm sure you have liked watching our today's sewing episode. If you really do, please give this video thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations. If you are new to my channel, check other videos. You will definitely gonna find something interesting to learn. This project was so much fun, and you can use this jeans binder in a different variety of projects. So stay tuned for more sewing project. God bless you all and have a fabulous day. Bye bye.